This is the finished tour of a stunning single-slope barndominium, a design that blends modern functionality with warm, rustic character. What makes this build stand out right away is its unique single-slope roofline, which gives the exterior an architectural edge you don't see every day. The home sits at 1,600 square feet of living space, paired with over 1,300 square feet of attached shop and nearly 500 square feet of covered porch space, making it a truly versatile property that serves both comfortable living and serious work needs. On the exterior, the primary panel color is Burnish Slate, complemented by a warm tan accent used on the windows and overhead doors, a combination that gives the facade a clean, sophisticated look. Because of the single-slope design, the front wall rises higher than a traditional build, allowing for high windows along the exterior that dramatically improve curb appeal and flood the interior with natural light. Stone accents and steel-wrapped beams add texture and depth to the outside, and the cedar pergola-style porch is a rare and beautiful finishing touch, soft in material, rich in character. The cedar requires periodic maintenance with a protective finish coat, but the warmth and visual contrast it brings against the steel and stone makes it absolutely worth it. Stepping through the entry, a solid hardwood door with 4 panes of glass, the interior immediately delivers on the promise of the exterior. The first thing you notice is the warmth. Warm tones flow throughout the entire home, from the flooring underfoot to the fireplace ahead. The ceiling height in the living room is a standout feature of the single-slope design rather than peaking in the center of the house. The high point of the ceiling lands on the exterior wall, creating an open, airy feeling that makes the living space feel larger and more dramatic than its square footage might suggest. The fireplace serves as the natural focal point of the living room. Dressed in silver mist rattlesnake stone, the same stone that wraps the exterior columns, beautifully tying the outside and inside together. A smooth, flat Luter stone is used on the hearth, which is a practical and elegant choice for water tables and hearth surfaces. A cedar accent piece frames the fireplace, and a cedar-wrapped metal beam cuts across the ceiling above, both subtle touches that continue the wood theme and add visual dimension to the space. Built directly into the living room is a custom cabinet piece, a thoughtful use of what could have been dead wall space. The cabinetry features adjustable shelf for books, decor, or family photos, along with storage drawers and integrated electrical outlets. All cabinetry throughout the home is custom hardwood, stain grade, finished in a honey pine stain, a minwax product that pairs beautifully with the flooring. The cabinet craftsman even scribed the cabinetry directly against the stone, eliminating the need for heavy caulking and showing a level of precision and care that elevates the entire interior. The flooring is a 12mm laminate product, Canyon Blonde, in color, an aqua guard laminate that is 100% waterproof, carries a 20-year commercial warranty and a lifetime residential warranty. Often used in hospitals for its durability, this flooring feels far more premium than traditional laminate, and it flows seamlessly from the living area into the kitchen, unifying the open floor plan. The transition into the kitchen is smooth and natural. A dining area sits between the living room and the kitchen island, with a closet nearby that's currently fitted with shelves flexible enough to serve as a coat closet, game closet, or pantry overflow, depending on the family's needs. The kitchen is anchored by a large central island topped with Carrara mist quartz countertops, the same quartz that runs throughout the home, including the windowsill, which doubles as extended counter and shelf space. The island features an extended overhang on one side, creating generous bar seating for 4 to 6 stools, while the opposite side is loaded with deep drawers and cabinet storage. Pendant lights hang above the island, giving the kitchen its own warm, defined lighting zone. Instead of filling every wall with upper cabinets, the The designers made a deliberate choice to incorporate floating shelves above the sink area, a growing trend that opens up the kitchen visually and creates space for decorative dishware and accents. The sink itself is a single-basin white porcelain farmhouse sink with brushed nickel hardware and fauceted design choice that adds personality and breaks up what could have been a flat cabinet wall. Rather than covering the backsplash area in tile throughout, the kitchen uses a 4-inch band of the quartz countertop as a simple backsplash across most surfaces, clean, minimal, and cohesive. The exception is the cooking wall, where decorative tile runs all the way up behind a range hood, creating a dramatic focal point in the kitchen. The tile's marble-style pattern and the V-style hood come together as the kitchen's statement piece, and when a skilled tile setter executes it, the result is stunning. A corner pantry tucked behind the kitchen provides substantial storage with large shelving, dedicated appliance space, and electrical outlets inside. Nearby, a double trash drawer neatly conceals 2 separate trash cans. The refrigerator is housed in a fully wrapped cabinet surround, keeping the appliance integrated into the cabinetry design rather than sitting as a standalone unit. Cabinet space is also allocated for a microwave, though the appliance package had not yet arrived at the time of filming. Just off the kitchen is the Mudroom, a practical and well-organized drop zone with hooks, shelving, bench seating, and basket storage. It sits directly adjacent to the shop entrance, making it the perfect spot for kids to unload backpacks, shoes, and gear the moment they walk in. Right next to it is the laundry room, featuring a wide door to accommodate large appliances, a matching quartz countertop, overhead cabinet storage, and a recessed dryer vent, neatly tucked flush into the wall rather than protruding outward, a clean detail that makes a real difference in tight utility spaces. The home has 2 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. The guest bedroom is a comfortable 12 by 12 space with the same flooring and wall colors found throughout the home. It includes a well-sized closet with upper and lower hanging rods, stained to match the cabinetry. Strategically placed outlets near the window wall anticipate the placement of a bed and nightstands. The guest bathroom is well appointed, featuring a 6-foot vanity with quartz countertop, a rectangular undermount sink, brushed nickel fixtures, a framed mirror, and a 3-bar light fixture above. A dedicated upper cabinet provides extra storage. The floor tile is a standout, a larger format 14 by 24 marble look tile set in a beautiful pattern that gives the bathroom a boutique hotel feel. The tub surround continues the tile all the way to the ceiling, a design choice that adds visual height and elegance to the space. The master bedroom is a spacious 15 by 15 room with recessed lighting and a ceiling fan. Like the rest of the home, the canyon blonde laminate flows through here without interruption, giving the space a cohesive, grounded feel. Outlets are positioned strategically on either side of where the bed will sit, accommodating nightstands with no hassle. The master bathroom is where the design truly shines. A full double-sink vanity with quartz countertops and ample cabinet space serves both sides. Medicine cabinets are built in on each side of a large framed mirror with 2-bar lighting above. The shower is a generously sized drop-in design with the same marble-style tile, frameless glass enclosure, and brushed nickel hardware. Soap niches are built into both sides of the shower walls, and the volume control is positioned outside the water stream, meaning you can turn the water on without stepping in and getting wet first. A handheld spray attachment rounds out the shower's functionality, making cleaning easy. The toilet sits in its own semi-private alcove, created by the natural layout of the space rather than a separate door, a smart design solution that saves materials while maintaining privacy. The master walk-in closet is tiled, matching the rest of the master suite, and is fitted with upper cabinets, open shelving, and hanging storage. Having tile in the closet creates an even flow from the shower and bathroom into the dressing area, a practical and polished choice. The attached shop spans over 1,300 square feet with roughly 40-plus feet of depth and an equally generous width. The walls are finished with 2 layers of sheathing, a zip system air barrier plus OSB paneling on the interior face. The roof follows the same single-slope design as the home, with 4-foot purlin spacing and closed-cell spray foam insulation throughout, providing a solid thermal break even in extreme heat. The shop features 12-foot-tall insulated overhead doors with windows, letting in excellent natural light alongside the shop's own window openings. Though special flashing attention is given around each window due to the horizontal framing system used in the shop section, which differ from the vertical framing in the living quarters. A built-in workbench was designed into the shop to solve a dryer vent routing challenge, turning a practical problem into a functional feature. A shop sink was also installed, an invaluable addition for any working shop or entertaining space. The utility closet within the shop conceals the water heater, main electrical panel, and a power supply, all tucked neatly with a small floor drop to manage any potential water events. Wrapping up outside, the Cedar pergola porch on the side of the home is approximately 12 by 20 feet, a relaxed, breezy outdoor space with an exposed cedar ceiling that lets you appreciate every beam and rafter. A leaf-style ceiling fan adds comfort, and the porch orientation makes it ideal for afternoon shade. Whether it's patio furniture, a hammock, or a gathering space for family and friends, this porch delivers both beauty and function. From the single-slope roofline and cedar pergola to the custom cabinetry, marble-style tile, and expansive shop, this barndominium is a complete, thoughtfully designed home that proves the style can deliver on every level. It's a build that balances rustic warmth with modern finishes and practical utility with genuine elegance. And that wraps up the full tour of this incredible single-slope barndominium. From the cedar pergola porch to the custom cabinetry, the marble-style tile work, and that expansive attached shop, This build is truly a testament to what thoughtful design and quality craftsmanship can produce when everything comes together. If this build inspired you in any way, whether you're dreaming of your own barndominium, planning a future project, or simply love seeing these kinds of builds come alive, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a future tour. Every share, every comment, and every bit of support helps make more content like this possible. If you have questions about the design, the finishes, or anything you saw throughout this tour, drop them in the comment section below. We read every single one, and we'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching. It truly means everything to have an audience that appreciates the work, the details, and the passion that goes into every single one of these builds. Until the next one, take care, dream big, and we'll see you in the next tour.